Hello viewers, welcome back to Apple Info YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set a live photos as your iPhone's lock screen wallpaper. To set live wallpaper on your iPhone, first open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to find the wallpaper option. Tap on it. Now tap on Add New Wallpaper option. Then at the top of the screen, tap on Live Photos. Then select the All option. Select the live photo you want to use. After that, make sure the live photo option is enabled. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Add. Confirm by tapping Set as Wallpaper Pair. Now go back to the home screen. Then lock the screen and check your new wallpaper. That's it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.